Hello everyone, welcome back to Rotary Tech Media. So in this tutorial we will be learning about how to reset migrations in Django. Now there are two scenarios. The first scenario is you want to reset the migrations and you don't mind deleting the whole database away. And the second scenario is you want to reset the migrations but you also want to keep the existing database. So before proceeding further, change your directory to the place where your managed.py is located. Now we will be moving with the first scenario where you want to reset the migrations and even you don't care about your current database. So there are three steps involved in this process. The first step is cleaning all the migration files. So in this step there are two ways of doing it. Either you do it manually or you do it through the command line. So if you do it manually, then you have to visit each app. Like in my case, here's my app, and delete all the files except _init.py. Or another step is you can just paste the commands, these two commands, and it will do the job for you. Here it is. Now if you look here, so it will delete all the files except init.py, and even if you look _py gadget, there will be nothing inside that file. Yeah, it's also empty. Now the second step in this process is dropping your current database. In my case, I'm using SQLite database, so I have to just remove the file. But in your case, you might be using MySQL or PostgreSQL, so you have to log into that and then just drop your current database. Now final step is, after dropping your current database, you have to make the fresh migrations, for which the command is python manage.py make migrations. Put the command on make migrations. Yeah, and another and then you have to create your database, python manage.py migrate. So as you can see, fresh database, fresh migrations are created. I can verify them. Here it is. Now let's move on to the second scenario where you want to clear all the migration history but you want to keep the existing database. So make sure your model fits the current database, and the easiest way to do it is trying to create new migrations. So let's run python manage.py make migrations. So if you see this message, no changes detected, then you are good to go. But if there are any other message, then you have to first apply those migrations using the command python manage.py migrate. Now another step is clearing the migration history for each app. So first run python manage.py show migrations, python manage.py show migrations. So here you can keep the track of what's going on. Now let's remove the migrations using the command python manage.py migrate -- fake, and then name of my app for which I want to reset the migrations, and then add 0. Okay, now as you can see, I'm applying this migration. Now again run python manage.py show migrations. So here you can see that this migration is unapplied. Okay. Now we need to remove the actual migration files. So go through each of your project apps migration folder and then remove everything inside except for the _init_.py file, like we did in the scenario 1 case. Or if you're using Unix like OS like Ubuntu, then you can just run these two commands to do the same stuff. Okay, now again run python check the migration, python manage.py show migrations. Okay, so as you can see, there are no migrations. So create the migrations, python manage.py make migrations. Now your migrations are created, and by now we need to fake the initial migrations, and for that command is python manage.py migrate -- fake hyphen initial. So here's a command for that. So why did we fake this? We faked this because database already exists, so that's why. Now I guess you are all set up.